Writing linear equations. Writing linear equations. Let's learn about writing linear equations in different forms. First one, slope-intercept form. Given slope, m, and y-intercept, b, the equation of the line is given by y equals 2 m x plus b. Example, given slope of the line is 4 and y-intercept is 5, find the equation of the line. Solution, given slope is 4 and y-intercept is 5. Use the slope-intercept form of the equation, y equals to m x plus b. Now substitute slope m equals to 4 and y-intercept b equals 5 in the equation. That will be y equals 4 x plus 5. 2. Point, slope form, given slope m, and a point x1, y1. The point, slope form of the equation is given by y minus y1 equals 2 m times x minus x1. Example, given slope of the line is 4 and a point 2, 3. Find the equation of the line. Solution, given slope m equals to 4 and point 2, 3, use the point slope form of the equation, y minus y1 equals 2 m times x minus x1. Now substitute slope m equals to 4 and the given point 2, 3 as x1 and y1 values in the equation. That will be y minus 3 equals 2 4 times x minus 2. Use distributive property. Multiply 4 with x and multiply 4 with 2. The equation is y minus 3 equals 2 4x minus 8. Now, add 3 to both sides. Simplify the equation. That will be y equals to 4x minus 5. Two-point form. Given 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2. To find the equation of the line, given 2 points, we have to do two-step process. Step 1. Find the slope of the line passing through 2 points. Slope m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Step 2. Use slope m in point slope form with either given point. Y minus y1 equals 2 m times x minus x1. We can use either points, that is, x1, y1, or x2, y2, in the equation. Example, given 2 points, 2, 3, and 1, 4, find the equation of the line passing through the points. Solution, given points 2, 3, and 1, 4. Step 1. Find the slope. Slope is given by m equals 2 y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 3, over 0, 1 minus 2, that equals 2, 1 over minus 1, that is minus 1. Slope of the line is minus 1. Step 2. Given points are 2, 3, and 1, 4, use the point slope form of the equation, y minus y1 equals 2 m times x minus x1. We can consider either points for the equation. Let's consider 2, 3. Now substitute slope m equals to minus 1 and the given point 2, 3 as x1 and y1 values in the equation. That will be y minus 3 equals 2 minus 1 times x minus 2. Use distributive property. Multiply minus 1 with x and multiply minus 1 with minus 1 too. The equation is y minus 3 equals 2 minus x plus 2. Now, add 3 to both sides. Simplify the equation. That will be y equals to minus x plus 5. Let's review the topic.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.